Okay, so I just wanted to take a quick second to show everyone just how easy it is to use the Beanstack app to track your progress for this year's summer reading program. So I just downloaded the app, and you can download it both from the App Store on Apple devices as well as the Google Play Store on Android devices. And it's called the Beanstack Tracker, and it's just this little blue icon here at the bottom with a white heart. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I am going to touch School, Library, or Bookstore. Then I'm going to touch Find a Site, and I'm going to type in Edgewood Community Library. And here it is. So I'm going to click on it. And if it's your first time using the Beanstack app, you're just going to click on Sign Up down here at the bottom. And it's going to ask you if you ever used the Beanstack app before. You're going to go ahead and click No. And then it'll ask you to enter in all your information to create your account. So what I would suggest, especially if you have multiple readers within your family, is to enter in all the information for the main person in the family first. So in most cases, this will most likely be the parent. And then once you enter that, it'll allow you to add more readers to your account. So this is where you would enter your children, your spouses, and just any other additional readers within the family. I suggest doing it this way just because it makes it easier, so you don't have to log into multiple accounts to log your reading. You can log it all on the same account, and each individual reader can participate in their own challenges and earn their own prizes. So it's just a lot easier having it all in one spot. So I actually already have an account, so I'm not going to create one. Instead, I'm going to sign in. So give me a second to do that. Okay, so up here in the top right hand corner is where you'll be able to switch between readers. So I currently only have one other reader on my account, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on her. And as you can see on the main page, this is pretty much just a summary. So you have all your challenges here that you're participating in. You also have all your badges, just everything like that. It's basically just one summary. Then next you have your log here at the bottom. So this is where you can see everything that you've read and everything you completed. Next you have Discover here at the bottom. So this is where you can sign up for any new challenges that are available or any challenges that you didn't sign up for during the registration process. And lastly, we have our account settings. So here's where you can edit your account, add or delete readers if you need to, and just anything like that. So now let's talk about logging. So to log your reading, you're just going to click on this little plus sign here at the bottom. You're going to click on what you would like to log. So I'm going to log reading. You're going to choose which reader you would like to log for. And you can log with or without a title. So I'm going to go ahead and log without for right now. You're going to enter in the amount of minutes that are read. So I'm going to put 90 and the number of pages. And also it'll allow you to change the date. So say you forgot to log reading in the past couple of days, you can change the date and go back and log that reading. And I'm going to go ahead and click done. And that's it. The reading was logged. It's really as easy as that. And now that logged reading has counted toward all the active challenges right now that you're participating in all at once. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to home, and I am going to go to the Tales and Tales Summer Reading Challenge. And it looks like with that 90 minutes of reading, she completed all of her badges. So now I'm going to go back here and see what reward she's earned. So it looks like she's entered a entry into the grand prize drawing at the end of the summer reading challenge, which is really cool. And then also that logging also counted toward the week 1 summer challenge. So she earned a few badges for that. Well, she actually completed that challenge with that hour and a half of reading, and she also earned rewards for that challenge as well. So it looks like she won the weekly prize that she can pick up any time during our scheduled curbside service hours. And she also won an entry into the bonus prize drawing as well. So it's really cool. It just counts toward all of them at once, so you don't have to go into each individual challenge to log the reading for it. And just one more quick thing that I want to show you. I'm going to go back to my main page, and we do actually have an adult summer reading challenge as well that we actually just launched. So I'm going to click on Discover, and let's see, upcoming. This one starts on June 12th, so I'm going to go ahead and register for it. It's really cool because it's kind of just something for the adults to do at the same time, and they can actually win prizes too as well. So that one actually hasn't started yet, so I can't really show you guys anything from it, but as soon on June 12th is when you'll be able to begin logging your reading for that. And I think I really prefer the Beanstack app versus the reading trackers. I just think it's a lot easier. It just makes it a whole lot more simple to participate in the summer reading challenge. But of course, if you don't want to use the Beanstack Tracker app, you can always drop by the library and sign up for the offline summer reading challenge. It's the exact same, just you don't have to use the app, and you will just have to turn in your reading trackers every week. So it's definitely up to you. I would suggest trying out the app at first. If you don't like it, you can always come in and pick up a reading tracker. But like I said, it's definitely up to you.